I'm making a non-alcoholic cocktail or beverage, whatever you want to call it. This is my take on a simplified Shirley Temple, and this is just the way that I'm going to toss it together. I don't have all of the proper tools. I'm not a bartender here, but I do have some stuff in my kitchen and I'm whipping it up and doing the best I can. So let's try to get all the juice we can out of these. I was gonna get a fresh pomegranate, but they had these in the produce department and it was already done for you. And this is all they actually had available. The reason why I'm doing it this way is because I just want the tartness from the pomegranate, and I don't want to add any added sugar. So I could have got pomegranate juice or maybe some grenadine, but it just adds a bunch of sugars and stuff like that. So I'm just trying to make this a healthy cocktail and no sugar added. I do want to add some orange to it. So I'm just going to slice my orange in half. And this is going to add some flavor and some extra sweetness because these are kind of tart, and the tartness actually makes it feel or taste like an actual cocktail because the tartness feels like maybe like a bit of alcohol's in there when it's not. So this is really a non-alcoholic cocktail that actually tastes like a cocktail, I guess you could say. And it's really nice to have options like this for those who don't want to drink and, they don't want no alcohol and, everybody's different and have options for everybody. And have a safe Cinco de Mayo. This is what I'm doing on Cinco de Mayo. I am making a video and making me a non-alcoholic beverage. There, I just tossed that over there, and I think that'll be enough. I don't want to put too much orange because I don't want it to overpower the flavor of the pomegranate, so I'm going to set this aside. And this grapefruit is actually for a different non-alcoholic cocktail that I'm going to be making on a different day, not today. I'm going to be using a orange wedge for my garnish. And I'm going to go ahead and put the pomegranate juice and orange juice in my glass. I'm going to go ahead and add my ice afterwards. I just like to do it this way. I'm using the Canada Dry Zero Sugar Ginger Ale. I also came across a flavored water, a sparkling water that was ginger ale. I'm going to try that one, doing the same thing. They just didn't have them at the store that I went to this morning. Go ahead and these are the mini cans. That was perfect. Now for the garnish, should I put some of these in there? Yes, I'm going to go ahead and put some of the pomegranate seeds. And wait, I'm going to give it a little stir. I don't want to stir it too much, just a bit. And leave the bottom a little bit darker. And put my lemon wedge right here. And keep in mind, you could get I think they're candied cherries or maraschino cherries that they actually use for the Shirley Temple. I just don't like them. So you could use orange as a garnish because there is, I think, orange or orange liqueur in grenadine, which some people use grenadine and just buy it because you could buy it. But I'm just doing it this way to make it a little bit less sugary, I guess you could say, and more natural sugar for me. And it really tastes good and it's refreshing. So this right here is my non-alcoholic cocktail. And yes, you could buy some fancier glasses or cute glasses or different ones, you know. And there you go. And you don't have to use this type of ice. It all depends on, you know, presentation. If you're serving it up for a gathering or whatever you're doing, you could use different type of ice, different type of glass, and it's going to be a whole different, I guess, vibe, you could say. Yeah, so this is just me here. And yeah, so happy Cinco de Mayo. This is a non-alcoholic cocktail or beverage, and this is my take on a Shirley Temple. Now, let me taste it. Oh my God. That is so good. This is so good. Oh my goodness. If you're really into non-alcoholic cocktails and beverages, try this out.